Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Amazon Fresh peanut filled pretzels. It's a pretty big jar with a lot of pretzels in there. I have had other brands of pretzels before, and these taste just as good, if not better, than them. They have pretzel peanut inside the pretzels, and it tastes really good. They are lightly salted. It doesn't have heavy salt in it, so it will not make you severely thirsty. I think it's a pretty healthy snack to eat as well. I hope this review of the Amazon Fresh peanut filled pretzels helps.